In order to use the AI features in ClickUp, we need to first turn the feature on, the AI feature on. And for that, you can go to the search box here and start typing in Click Apps. You'll see Open Click Apps. And once you open that, you have this AI feature. Make sure that is on. For example, if it is off, just click on it to make it on. Now, let's say I want to create a new space, um, and recall that I can create a space for a department, and within that space I can create folders for different kinds of projects, and within each folder we can create projects, also called lists, in ClickUp. But for now, I want to create a new space for maybe just a type of projects, let's say construction projects. um, Unfortunately, the AI feature cannot create a space or a list. Maybe in the future versions of ClickUp, they add that feature, but right now it cannot. We have to add it manually. But I want to show you what it says if I want AI to create a space, so that you know what the result would be, and then we'll create a space manually. So if I go to Ask AI right here, and I'll say create new space, or I could say space for, or I say called construction projects. So it's saying I'm unable to create space, and it's guiding us how to create a new space. So we'll just do it manually. So I could say create space right here, or I can use the plus sign here and then create space. I'll click on this, create space, and say construction projects. And within construction project space, we'll create some projects, let's say new house 1, new house 2, etc. For now, click on continue, and I'll select project management, so that whenever we have to choose, we'll choose, or we'll be able to choose from the options specific to project management. We'll have access to the correct templates, etc. So project management and create space. It has created a space right here. You can see construction projects, and by default there's always a list. I can create a new list or work on this list that we already have. And again, if I want to create a list with AI, unfortunately it does not. I promise though that as soon as we create a list, I'll show you a lot of AI features. But just to show you that it cannot create a new list for you by using this AI feature, I just want to demonstrate that. So create, and when I'm typing in, I want to make sure that we are within the construction project space, so it knows where to create that list that we're asking it to create. So it's, if I just click on, yeah, just that construction projects, or maybe, so as you can see, it's not letting me choose just the construction projects option. So what I'll do is I will click on the construction projects, and then I'll go to AI, and then now I should be able to see that option, construction projects, without that list, the default list that it has to start with. So I want to create a new list. So if I say create a new list called new house 1. Now, because I'm in construction project space, I don't have to say create a new list called new house 1 in construction project space. Even otherwise, like I said, in this case it will not work. But later on in future use of AI, you have to make sure that you are in a correct area before you give it a task. Otherwise, you have to be very specific, create a new list called new house 1 in construction project space, like that. This drop down menu, and later on the features that we will use will save a lot of time. but as I was saying, it will say I'm unable to create a new list, and it's guiding you how to create a new list. So we'll do that. So I'll write here, I will create a list, or I could work on this one, but I'll create a new list right here, and we'll call it new house one within the space, which is construction projects.